Hello guys, welcome to my another video. This is your host and you're watching me on Russell Brothers. So in this video I am going to talk about WWE's next pay-per-view, that is Extreme Rules. So every details will be revealed in this video. What will be the return, what will be the surprise, and who will be the winner. So my official prediction for this video for Extreme Rules. Stay tuned. Watch the video till the end. Okay. So the first match that I'm going to start with is about on a one-on-one match between Carmella versus Liv Morgan. So even though WWE is trying to push Liv Morgan because Liv Morgan is in a very good form and giving very good matches, but still she couldn't come up to the title picture. So this match is an important match for her, and I believe that she will definitely win against Carmella. Though I'm not at all interested for this match, but I'm really rooting for Liv Morgan. Okay, now the next match is the Raw Women's Championship match between Charlotte Flair and Alexa Bliss. So again, the rivalry build up was decent. I will not tell really good, but I don't think that there is any chance that Charlotte Flair will lose her championship against Alexa Bliss. So for me, the prediction will be Charlotte Flair, and I see this match as an average one, where some kind of spooky moments, hypnotizing moments, we can see that, but I don't think that will entertain us in that way. So for me, the winner will be Charlotte Flair. Okay, now the next match is for the SmackDown Tag Team Championship between the Usos and the Street Profit. So particularly this match, even though Usos is in a very good form, but there is a slight chance that WWE can take the risk and give the championship to Street Profit. I hope this match will be a good one, especially after the beating that Roman Reigns gave to Montesco. But still, I would believe that even though Street Profit has a chance to win the championship, but my prediction will definitely be the Bloodline, that is the Usos. Okay, the next match that I am really interested for is the triple threat match for the United States Championship between Damian Priest, Sheamus and Jeff Hardy. So it will be a good match, and as it is triple threat, so it can be a no disqualification match. I hope that this match will be one of the best match of the night. And talking about the winner, there is a chance that whether Damian Priest will retain the championship, or we can see a new champion in terms of Jeff Hardy. So whether either Jeff Hardy or Damian Priest will be the champion at the end of the match, I believe, because Sheamus has been the champion for the past 6 months. So I think it's time for Jeff Hardy or Damian Priest to return his championship. Okay, now moving on to the next match. The next match is the SmackDown Women's Championship between Bianca Belair and the champion Becky Lynch. So their rivalry build up has been solid, I believe, because the way these two have given the promo, I think that's been really good. And I believe the match will also be a good one, not a short one like SummerSlam. So I believe that WWE will definitely give justice to Bianca Belair, and hopefully their match will be a really good one, because both are really prize fighter. And talking about the winner, I think that Becky Lynch is not a woman, or WWE will not take the risk for Becky Lynch to lose a championship. For me, the winner will be Becky Lynch, but I really want this match to be a very good one, because both Bianca and Becky can deliver good matches. So let's see what happens in this one. For me, the winner will be Becky. Okay, now coming to the main event, that is the Extreme Rules match, the only stipulation match I believe in Extreme Rules this year, that is Roman Reigns the champion versus the Demon Finn Balor. So the way on the main event of this week's SmackDown, Demon Finn Balor has attacked the Bloodline, I believe that this match will be a very good one, because we all know that Finn Balor is a very good performer. And talking about Roman Reigns is continuously getting the victory on pay-per-view matches, and I believe that this pay-per-view will be just like similar. And for me, that whatever reason, with the help of Bloodline, or maybe some other reason, with interference, Roman Reigns will retain his championship and he will defeat Demon Finn Balor. So whether Brock Lesnar will appear at the end of the show to attack Roman Reigns, because their match will be on the next pay-per-view, that is at Crown Jewel. So that will be the real question, whether Brock will be present on Extreme Rules or not. But at the point, I see that Roman Reigns will retain his championship, even though this match will be a blockbuster one, because I see Finn Balor will deliver one of his best match in his WWE main roster. So let's see what happens at Extreme Rules. Personally, I'm really excited and I hope you are. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.